Career blow.
It's recording. Start singing.
Singing what? What should I sing?
America, what should you sing?
I think I want to be a supermodel. Just kidding. I really think my pants don't fit my butt. I think I just touched this. I need to get a belt or a new butt. That too.
This conversation is very awkward.
And this bra isn't working out either. Because I'm wearing a strapless. It's not good.
Wow.
My hands are really cold. Feel that? Snip, 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 snip.
What are you looking at? Oh, look, people.
He's so hot. Sexy! Sexy! Sexy, come back!
Ow, ow! Yeah, we're kind of bored right now. We're cleaning my dad's truck.
Oh, I like those!
Thank you. See, everybody, look at these little, like, sock slipper things. But
They're broke.
look how dirty they are.
I wonder why.
I have, like, swash foot. I don't think he's listening out here.
Okay, we're gonna go now. Bye.
Peace. Wait, where's the off button?